About to begin with our elephant chit chat session at 11:30. Alright, so for those of you guys, what's going to happen later on, the elephants will be here, right in front of me here, right? So if you guys want to take a closer look at the elephants later on, there are still empty spaces here. These open area seats on my left and on my right. Alright? So the closer you guys are to where I'm standing right now, it's better for you guys to actually take a look at our elephants later on. I'm an elephant care staff here at Singapore Zoo, right? Not only me, together me and my team, right? There's 7 of us. We take care of the elephants. Basically we are the elephant team in the zoo, alright? We just take care of the elephants. So at any point, later on during the token feeding session at 11:45, while feeding the elephants, if you guys have any questions with regards to the elephants, you can just feel free to actually approach me or any other of my colleagues, alright? To know about the elephants. Okay, there's a bit of a crowd here, and I need you guys to be as loud as possible. Alright guys, put your hands together guys for this lovely family, as well as applause for my wonderful team that I have with me. We have Rachel here with Intan, we have Che, we have Clement right at the back, alright, as well as our 4 lovely ladies right here, very cute, we have Jati, Gambe, Intan and Aprila. Last but not least, one is Aiman, and we are host for today's Elephant Chit Chat session. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day at Singapore Zoo. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright guys, I think with that, it's now time to commence with our 11:45 token feeding session. Unfortunately, all the tickets are sold online. Sold online only. We are not selling it on site.